My video guide will help you to remove the adware that is called WeekiPedia. Keep in mind that this is fake Wikipedia program. It is not related to the genuine Wikipedia resource. It actually spells in a different way. The fake Wikipedia is having two E letters, double E, Wikipedia. Even though the decent website is, of course, wikipedia.org or something like that, yes. So this is obviously the fake Wikipedia website and the fake program not related to this decent wikipedia.org resource. WeekiPedia is the adware that tries to infect as many computers as possible. It tries to display its dubious content in order to generate the revenue by forwarding the browser to a lot of shady websites of a very bad reputation. If you have installed anything like that, surely it was a serious mistake. The problem with this fake Wikipedia is that often it goes bundled with some free applications, so people tend to download and install it pretty unintentionally. So, if you have discovered this fake Wikipedia program on your computer, you need to uninstall it as soon as you can. So now I'll show you how it can be uninstalled. I've just installed it for the demonstration purposes. Simply access the control panel of your computer, click on uninstall a program, find this fake Wikipedia, and uninstall this application in a regular manner. Basically, this should fix the problem very well. However, I also recommend you to research your system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may go to the official page combocleaner.com, download the software, and it will help you to detect other threats that could be possibly concealed on your computer. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threads are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is. But pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threads that were found during the scan, and you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific thread manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threads automatically.